Okay, now the next exercise, everybody have to stand up, right? Okay, now our target is to stretch the hamstring and the hips. Okay, so you all have to move your hand back this way and do forward bending. If you do forward bending, the muscles of the legs, back of the thigh basically, they're going to stretching. So keep and do with me. Stay here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done, everyone. Now ready for the next step. You have to keep your right leg towards the right direction. And now this time you have to lift your right toe, your foot basically toe up, and then this knee have to bend slightly and make your hand position here to here and stay there. Clear everyone? Start. Breathe normally and stay here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Now from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct. Well done. Now you have to do the little business duration. अच्छे से पाँव को गोल गोल घुमाओ. Right or rotate everyone. This will help you to relax the bone and the pelvis muscles. Now this side. Right. Very good. Balance and do a broad rotation. Great. Now in the next technique, we have to open the legs again. And this time we have to bend the knee. Right, everybody? And keeping the position straight. And going towards the left, going right. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to go left and then right. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Perfect. Now you have to open your little bit leg. Try to raise your hand like no. Right. Move your hand inside like this and stretch your inner. See again. Opening the legs. Breathing normally. Move your hands inside and stay here for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and well done. Now the next exercise. You have to stand straight. Now you have to keep your one leg front, right? One leg back. Now we have to hold the angle of your back leg, right? And stay here for 20 seconds to stretch your hamstrings. See, you need to do a problem. Fall bending and holding the back leg and stay here to spread the neck muscles. 1, 2, 3. If you can hold the leg, you can hold the mat, right? Stay in stretch. Mat. Keep doing everybody. Last 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Well done. Now changing the leg position. Yes. You have to using good one. And then put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and completely relax. Well, now you have to sit proper down the mat, right everyone, and then follow this relaxing exercise for you whenever you join. You need to move your right knee on your floor and then left knee. Right everyone. This is good to our pelvis release. Yes, keep moving towards left and then right. Well done. Okay. Now change. You all have to do this exercise. Wait. Keeping your both legs away and lifting the hips, right? And then do this exercise. Moving your pelvis forward and this way. And this way. Right? Perfect. Opening your pelvis, contract the glutes, stretching everyone. Yes, perfect. Nice. Now relax. Okay. Now the next exercise, moving your one leg back and doing lateral spines. Look back. One. And this way also. One leg back. Keeping the elbow connected and look back. Stretching your muscles. See one leg back. Elbows fixing here and twisting the thumb. Right? Now show me again. This way I will run. Break early and moving. Perfect. Great. Now change everyone. So now once stand on your toe. Okay. Now from here, place your hand on your toe. And now lift your hips. Cross break one. One. Two. This is called strengthening your quadriceps muscle exercise. Three. Stand on your toe. One. Two. Three. Four. One. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Perfect. Very good. Now ready for the next. What you do want in the next exercise? You have to lock your leg with your both arm and then go down. And stretch here, first leg here for 20 seconds to 10 seconds. Start with me. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Stretch your glutes everyone. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Okay, change. And this one. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and relax. Very good. Just relax your in serve also completely and breathe properly. Make your mind and your breath completely controlled and smooth. Be relaxed, everyone. Okay, now you have to change the exercise everyone. Look at this. You all have to hold your knees, right everyone? And then opening your like say hips again by doing knee tension and then do side bending and stay here as very close. Come on everyone, stay here and do it. That's good. And the next exercise is you need to put your ankle over the knee, right? And it's what? What foot is here? Foot is placed over the knee and then release. And then for downward, and then this area is going to be structured. Now just so try and do it. Focus.